See Standard 10th Maths Chapter 3 Algebra Exercise 3.14 Sum number 3. The sum is if alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 6x minus 4 equal to 0. Without solving, find the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha squared and beta squared. See, without solving, you need not find any roots. Just mention that roots are alpha and beta. Alpha and beta are the roots of x squared plus 6x minus 4 is equal to 0. So you compare with the general form of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here x square coefficient a is here 1, x coefficient b is here 6 and constant term c is minus 4. Sum of the roots. Alpha plus beta. Formula minus b by a. Minus b is 6 by 1, that is minus 6. Alpha beta. C by a. C is here minus 4. A is 1. So minus 4. Minus 4. So this is the first statement 1. Now come to the question. Find the quadratic equation. You have to form the quadratic equation whose roots are alpha squared and beta squared. For finding the equation, we need to find sum of the roots and product of the roots. So alpha squared and beta squared are the roots. Sum of the roots. Just short form, sum of the roots. Alpha square plus beta squared. So apply the identity formula. Alpha plus beta the whole squared minus 2 alpha beta. So what is alpha plus beta? Minus 6 the whole square minus 2 into alpha beta is minus 4. Minus 6 squared is 36. Minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. That is equal to 44. Product. Alpha squared into beta squared. So alpha beta the whole squared. So what is alpha beta? Minus 4. So minus 4 the whole squared, that is equal to 16. So the equation is x squared minus sum of the roots. Sum of the roots, that is your x coefficient, plus product of the roots. Product of the roots, that is your constant term, is equal to 0. Equation, you should mention this is equal to 0. So x squared minus what you have got, sum of the roots 44, that is your x coefficient, plus product of the roots you have got 16. So that is your constant term, is equal to 0. So the equation is x squared minus 44x plus 16 equal to 0 is the required equation. Come to the second sum. Form the equation whose roots are 2 by alpha and 2 by beta. First find the sum of the roots. 2 by alpha plus 2 by beta. So here alpha beta is the LCM. No common term, so I write both as LCM. Alpha goes off, here you will get remaining b, already 2 is here, so 2 beta, plus beta goes off, alpha remaining 2 is here, so 2 alpha. Take 2 as common, so you will get beta plus alpha divided by alpha beta. So what you have got, alpha plus beta? Here minus 6, alpha beta minus 4. Substitute here 2 into minus 6 divided by minus 4. So 2 6 are 12 minus 12 divided by minus 4. Minus minus goes off. 12 in 4 it goes 3 times. So answer is 3. Next, find product of the roots. Product of the roots. Two by alpha into 2 by beta. That is 2 2s are 4. Multiplication. Just multiply numerator with the numerator. 2 2s are 4. Denominator with the denominator. Alpha, beta. So 4 by, what is alpha, beta? Minus 4. So 1 minus here. So write minus. 4 by 4. This is 1. So product of the roots is minus 1. So the equation is x squared minus sum of the roots, that is your x coefficient, plus product of the roots, that is constant, is equal to 0. So x squared minus, what is the sum you have got? 3. So minus 3x. Product of the roots is minus 1. So minus 1 is equal to 0. Is a required equation, is the required equation. See the third sum. The roots are alpha square, beta and beta squared alpha. So find the sum of the roots. Sum of the roots. Alpha square beta plus beta squared alpha. So take out the common term. See alpha squared alpha. You have to take least power as common. So alpha outside. Beta, beta square. Least power is beta. Put the bracket. So in alpha squared beta, one alpha I have taken outside, one beta. So the remaining is alpha plus. Then one alpha taken outside. From beta square, one beta outside. So remaining one beta. So alpha beta into alpha plus beta. So what is here? Alpha beta, product of the root is minus 4 and sum of the roots is minus 6. Minus into minus plus 4 6 are 24. Product of the roots. So alpha squared beta into beta squared alpha. So into alpha squared into alpha is alpha cube. Beta into beta squared is beta cube. So alpha beta the whole cube. So what is alpha beta? Minus 4 the whole cube. So minus 4 you multiply 3 times. So minus odd power. So you will get minus 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4 or 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So answer is minus 64. So if you want I will explain to you. Minus 4 into minus 4 into minus 4. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus, minus. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. So the equation is x squared minus sum of the roots, that is your coefficient of x, plus product of the roots is equal to 0. X squared minus what you have got, sum of the roots as 24. 24x plus product is minus 64. So minus 64 is equal to 0. So this is the required equation. See the fourth sum. If alpha, beta are the roots of 7x squared plus ax plus 2 equal to 0. And also it's given beta minus alpha equal to minus 13 by 7. Find the value of a. Where this a occurs, it is in the equation. It is the coefficient of x. So the equation is here 7x squared plus ax plus 2. And alpha and beta are the roots of this equation. First you take that alpha and beta are the roots of 7x squared plus ax plus 2 is equal to 0. So here a is 7, b is a, coefficient of x here, a, and c is 2. Sum of the roots, alpha plus beta minus b by a, that is minus a by 7. Product of the roots alpha, beta, c by a. c is here 2 by a is here 7. So this is given, and also one more concept is given for you. Beta minus alpha. Beta minus alpha equal to minus 13 by 7. So using this you find the value of a. So the known values are alpha plus beta minus a by 7, alpha beta 2 by 7, beta minus alpha equal to minus 13 by 7. Let me introduce the relation between these three values. See here, alpha plus beta the whole squared. When you expand this, you will get alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. This is your alpha plus beta the whole square. What is alpha minus beta the whole square? Alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. See, alpha plus beta the whole squared equal to, see the difference, I am going to compare these two. That is alpha plus beta the whole squared, alpha minus beta the whole square. See, both are same. Alpha minus beta the whole squared, or I can write as beta minus alpha the whole squared. Both are same. When these two becomes equal. So here also alpha square, beta squared you have. Alpha squared, beta squared you have. Here 2 alpha beta you have. But here minus 2 alpha beta you have. So when these two are equal means I need one more 2 alpha beta. So minus 2 alpha beta plus here 4 alpha beta. So in this case these two statements becomes equal. If you expand here, alpha square plus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. This is alpha square minus 2 alpha beta plus beta square. Minus 2 alpha beta plus 4 alpha beta becomes 2 alpha beta. So these two statements are equal. Now substitute the value minus a by 7 the whole square is equal to minus 13 by 7 the whole square plus 4 into alpha beta is 2 by 7. 2 by 7. So a squared by 49. This is 13 square, minus is plus, 169 by 49 plus 4 2s are 8 by 7. So you take LCM for these two numbers, 49 and 7. So 49 is multiple of 7. So higher term is 49. It goes one time. So 169 plus 7 goes 7 times. So 8 7s are 56. So what you will get here? Add this 15, carry over 1, 12 carry over 1, 225 divided by 49. Left side is a squared by 49. See, denominators terms are same, so just you cancel this. A squared equal to 225. That is, a is plus or minus root of 225. So that is equal to plus or minus root of 225 is 15. So in the question itself they given find the values of a and b. A has two values, plus 15 or minus 15. This is the answer. Thank you.